Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to connect your YouTube channel to Reddit, you've come to the right place. So you just simply need to copy the link to your YouTube channel, open Reddit, go to your profile, and here we can add a social link. We need to choose a community, so we choose YouTube, click on display text to write something. For example, this is my YouTube channel, and just simply add the link. Once you've done that, people can click on your text, it will be displayed under your username, and they can see your YouTube channel. That's all. And also, when you're trying to create a post, write a title, write a body text, you can add a you need to copy a link previously, click on this chain icon, enter a link, so add a link, choose a subreddit you want to post video for, and that's all. Just when you've done all of it, just simply click on post and your link on YouTube channel will be added. That's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.